Hello guys, question number 20 of the CAT verbal ability practice series, parasyllables again. Now, after reading the 4 sentences, we can easily figure out that sentence D is the general statement. It introduces the context of discussion. It sets the context. When people learnt about its unique lighter than air property, they began to use it in all sorts of parlor stunts. And please note C, B, A, all 3 of them are examples of the stunts. Examples of parlor stunts in which hydrogen was used. Now you might wonder, D does not specify hydrogen, but remember, parasymbol questions do not always have to have a logical opening and a logical or a complete closing statement. The 4 sentences provided to you do not always have to form a complete paragraph. They only have to form a coherent sequence. It is possible that they are taken from the middle of a paragraph. Therefore, it is possible, though unlikely, it is possible that a pronoun, the discussion starts with a sentence with a pronoun. The subject of the pronoun is not mentioned. It is possible. So the discussion starts with D. It should be the opening statement. Now after that, it is easy to figure out that BA is a concrete pair. B says an entertainer would finish his act by blowing the hydrogen he had inhaled towards a lighted candle. As the hydrogen caught fire, flames would shoot menacingly from his lips. During one exhibition, however, an accident occurred. So BA is a concrete pair. B tells you about a regular type of performance, and A tells you about a particular performance in which some accident occurred to place. Okay. C obviously is one parlor stunt of which there is no talk later in the passage, in the paragraph. Therefore, it should immediately follow the opening statement, the general statement D. Correct answer DC, BA. Keep learning, keep improving, guys.